strawberry shortcake. You're going to need a tablespoon and a mug. You're going, in these boxes, there's these. And you're going to need these to make it. First, you're going to need to take this and open it. Then pour it inside here. Next, we're going to need 3 tablespoons of water. Next, you're going to need a spoon to mix it so it does not turn out all like squishy and mush. Like one time it happened to one of my friends when he tried to make it. Next, we're going to put it in for 1 minute and 10 seconds. Let it sit for 2 minutes and always grab the handle on the candle. Let it sit for 2 minutes on the candle. Now you're going to need a frosting. Squish it like this. Then open it. You might need scissors. Then put it on. You maybe need to go and do this. Next, eat it. Actually, you maybe want to put sprinkles or a candle on for fun. Good. This is delicious. Now I'm going to put this here, and now I'm going to go with my sugar speed.